So it's dad gift time, and this is a Flancci wallet here, slim design, and we're going to unbox it and take a look at it together. It comes very nicely packaged in a nice box, and it looks very sleek. You can tell from the box that it is the slim design over here. Once you open it up, you're going to see that it does have a pocket on the outside to fit a card for easy access to it, as well as a place for your ID so you don't have to keep pulling it in and out. It has several pockets in there, and ooh, so cute, money clip in there to give it a little extra design. Now with everything that's going on and all the compartments that it does have in there, the great thing is that you can still fit it in your back pocket without being too bulky. It looks very nice. I think it would make a great gift right now with V-Day coming up, to give dad, husband, brother, or even a boyfriend, or anyone that you want, any male in your life that you want to give a gift to. This would make a great gift for that. It is very sleek and very solid and great quality. And on top of it all, the price gives it a great value.